Congratulations, it's payday. You've survived another 2 weeks of existential dread, passive-aggressive emails and microwave leftovers. The money is finally in your account. Time to make some absolutely terrible decisions. Meet Jamie. Today, Jamie's bank balance is a shiny, plump number. By the end of the day, it'll look like a ghost town. First stop, breakfast. Why make your own when you can have an artisanal oat milk latte and a croissant airlifted from Paris? Swipe that card. Calories don't count on payday. With caffeine pulsing through Jamie's veins, it's time for shopping therapy. Jamie's Amazon cart has been growing like a neglected houseplant. Add to basket neon yoga mat, a book Jamie will never read, and a self-care candle that costs more than therapy. 2-hour delivery? Obviously, waiting is for people with savings accounts. Lunch? Jamie's cooking skills peak at boiling water, so it's a triple order of sushi delivered with extra wasabi and a side of financial recklessness. Jamie's phone pings. Your account balance is below your threshold. Time to celebrate with a new outfit. Jamie struts into a shop, grabs the trendiest jacket, the kind influencers pretend they just thrifted, and hands over a card with the confidence of someone who definitely remembered rent is due next week. Next, a motivational gym membership. Jamie signs up for the platinum package, which comes with a free water bottle and 6 months of guilt. The yoga mat arrives. Jamie feels spiritually aligned, financially ruined. As the sun sets, Jamie's friends suggest drinks. My treat, Jamie boasts, mentally high-fiving their overdraft. Bottle service? Why not? Champagne tastes best when you're ignoring your bank app. End of the night. Jamie unlocks the front door, greeted by a motivational poster. You got this! Bank balance £3.21. Dinner instant noodles garnished with despair. So, there you have it. How to expertly waste your entire paycheck in just 24 hours. For more tips on staying broke, hit that subscribe button. After all, who needs savings when you've got same-day delivery and regrets? This is Jamie, living proof that you too can be rich for about 12 hours. See you next payday.